video, I'm going to be playing Dying Light. See, me playing this Dying Light, it's not the full version, it's the demo. For just you guys that I know, just want to see it. So let's get in. Let's see what happens. Right, let's learn all these buttons. Jump, attack, use equipment, yeah. See, because I've played this before doing this video, so I already know loads of stuff, so that you ain't just watching me get used to it and everything and get really annoying. It's just, I've already played it a bit. The demo, you only have an hour of. This video is probably going to be 10 minutes, maybe even less, but maybe even more. But
welcome to the official Dying Light demo. Before you get stuck into the quarantine though, let's take a look at this basic tutorial video. Firstly, use the left stick to move around.
Let's skip this tutorial and then let's get straight into it. Let's go. Right, here I am. So here's my bed. Here's everything. See, you can't go to bed on this one. Right, as you can see, I'm not quite sure whether you can see it or not, but on the right, there's demo time. Let's go. Ooh, yes. Zombie time. Okay, I'm ready for this. Oh, that is amazing.
Heads up, everyone.
Love the blood.
This is Alfie. We've just lost gas at the tower, and as far as I can tell, the whole city has too.
And guess what happened?
And our gas man, Jeff, up and quit on us last week. He was kind of irreplaceable.
Maybe I can track him down.
Maybe, definitely, get on it fast. Word is he's built up his own little fortress somewhere behind the train station.
Oh, come on, jump. Yeah. We're going to Dubai. Come on, try and get up here. Come on. Come on. You can get up here. I'm fine. Oh! Get away. Get away. Get away from me. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Catch this, catch this, catch this. Yeah, got it. Oh, stay on the ground. Damn, I missed. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh, yes. What you want about? Love that. Go for them. Cool. See, I like this game, and this is only the demo. I don't think I'm going to get the full version. I might be getting Phantom Pain. I heard a zombie. Oh, my voice is going. Oh, got away. Just killed all your friends. Stay ground. Jesus Christ. These people. Over here, up here, down here. Woo. Right, you talk. I can assault boning knife. Brass knife. Ooh, let's buy this. Ooh. Inventory, this with this. Okay, then let's get out of here. Yeah. Oh! Oh! I got this. Oh, I thought it was be better, to be honest. Oh, excuse my language. Oh, that is amazing. Look, an amazing Spider-Man person on a knife. Come on, we can do it. Are you ready? Let's see that video. Oh. This is sick. What the fuck is that? Not Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh. Okay, she's dead. Whoa. Got him. Okay, more zombies are coming now because I killed that guy. This, let's go. What was that? Check this one there. Anyone? What was that? Oh! There's a guy being hurt.
You want some more?
Guys, whoa, you two are bad. How are you? Oh, medkit. You two are bad, really? Why are you too bad? Did he die? He escaped. Damn. He escaped my wrath. Nobody escapes my wrath. Medkit. I don't know how long I'm gonna. What's Thursday? Pop one of these open, the whole city will see it. Plus, it'll keep the infected off of you long as they stay in the light. It's a win then. Okay, so now I have flare. Flare? Oh yes. Let's go kill this zombie over here. Rambo style! Oh! Rambo style! Oh! Did you see that? Oh! Did you see this? Wait! Okay, come on. That was obviously a zombie after two. Oh. Go for that! Go for that! Go for that! Go for that! Oh, I didn't know. I'm near one of the safe house things. Go for that! Go for that! Go for that! Oh, hooch! Is this able to be opened? No. This to be opened? Yes. Oh yes. I've got a power. Just check. Let's fix this. Oh. That's right. Okay, go up on it. I want to see what happens. Look at that. I heard a zombie. I swear I heard a zombie. Who's that? Who are you doing? Get off my truck! It's my truck, not yours. Come on, there. I dare ya. I dare ya. See that? Get the hell off me! 1%. Go. Come up here. Go away. Go on, try it. Oh! Get wrecked. Are they going to try and jump across it? Come on, try it. Whoa, no, I didn't mean to do that. Damn it. Damn. Shoot. Oh yes. What's it? Yes, we got two good things. I'm going to have to end the video after this. Yeah, alcohol and gold and coffee. So. Right, I'm going to have to end the video here. I hope you like it. I hope you might have been inspired to buy the actual thing.